What's going on, YouTube? How's all the beautiful people? Well, Santa Claus came. Brought me a new Kippa carburetor for this here 21 horse Briggs Platinum. I don't know where, oh, here it is. Okay, alright, 21 horse Platinum edition, man. Okay. I started to make a previous video about these carburetors. Some of you may know they are absolute a pain to work on. Okay, that just makes a guy want to beat his head against the wall. I have put new carburetor kits in them. I've cleaned the pedunky out of them, and no matter what, they just surge. See, that's a OEM Briggs number. It's a Nikki, but I want to beat my head against the wall just thinking about it. I worked on it for several hours the other day, swapping this out, swapping that out, put a new kit in it, replaced some of the old parts with new parts, and back and forth, every scenario. And I'll show you what it does. So I'm going to turn the fuel on. The brake is set, I believe. Yeah. Choke it. Let's just see what it does. See, just absolute pure D chaos. This one does have a new head gasket in it, so I did do that. But anyways, let me get you set up. We'll pull this crap off of here, and we'll put on this brand new one, and we'll see what happens. Alrighty, not the best of angles for you, but this shouldn't take long. I'm hoping. I don't know, man. Y'all tell me in the comments, is there a certain kit? I did order some more that come with all of the plastic internals, and before, you know, I just went with new, all new O-rings. I don't mean to tell you, every time I see one of these, this is my personal note. Well, I bought it. It's a flip. It ain't one that I plan on keeping. I don't have anything against single cylinders, but I prefer a twin. Fuel valve is off. We're gonna get some gas out of here, but I ain't too terribly worried about it. We'll just prop it right on up here. Get her out of the way. Okay. These are pretty straightforward on removal. There ain't nothing to it. That's one of the only reasons why I went for experimenting with it, because it really is simple to get on and off. I'm at a loss with these and repairing them. I mean, everything in here just spick and span. And to be honest with you, I'm afraid to tear into a new one to try and compare, because I'm afraid the son of a gun won't ever work right again. But anyways, out with this shit, this junk. And yeah, I go around them to try and diagnose the surgery, and I spray all the gaskets down to make sure that, and I'm not even going to open this one up. I hope you guys are still recording, because I hate wasting my breath. Let's see. Yeah, I'm not even going to open it up. I'm just going to install the new gasket. And all I did was cut the box open. This is the first time I've had it in my hands. New gasket, new carburetor, Grab the studs. And I had several videos, well, one video, but it's been about a week since I started. I was going to make upload about it, you know, try and put this new kits and this, that, and the other, and man, I just got frustrated with it and I gave up. Maybe this winter I'll revisit it and see about trying to, and like I said, I ordered new kits that actually come with all of the plastic internals, and what little research I've done since talks about how the plastic components wear out, which that don't make no sense to me, but whatever. I don't know if it's the gas that causes problems with them, or if it's the, yeah, I don't know. I don't even think about it. Honestly, what I want to happen is both is, I just hate to have to spend $20 every time on a new carburetor. That just blows my mind. But that is the only thing that I have come across that works reliably, is just to replace the son of a bitch. Pardon my French. And yes, I know these need spring clamps on, but this is what's here, so this is what I'm going to use. This is all new fuel line too. I've had good luck with these carburetors. I've never had one not do what it's intended to do. But now that the cameras are rolling, this may be the first. And that just fails. But I doubt it. It's frustrating, to say the least. And I do have this turned down to 1, so it's not hammering the crap out of them. Well, here we are. Like I said, it's easy. There's nothing hard about it, but dang it. Okay. Let's make sure you guys are still rolling. You get some of these tools down because they like to run through the hills. I did put that, yeah, I put the gasket on there. Okay. Get this out of the way. Alright, let's see what this Kippa, K-I-P-A, carburetor does. New head gasket, new carburetor. Let me turn that key on and off, make sure. Yep. Fuel solenoid is working. I'm not gonna, I guess if she leaks, I'll tighten it, but I don't think it will. Fuel on. Let's make sure the needle and seat are going to do their job. I'll have the air filter handy in case there's a bit of a surge that we need the air filter to get rid of. Give it a second here, make sure she's not going to flood over. Wow, man. That just makes you want to beat your head against the wall. Oh, let me go ahead and put this crankcase breather back on. Okay. Alright, fire in the hole. I'm not even going to choke it. We'll see what happens. understand it. It pisses me right off. I'm glad that makes a difference. But nonetheless, it pisses me off. Runs good now. I guess it's been up here for a week and a half. I guess it's time to get it out of here. I did purchase some new headlight lenses. Well, not new, they're used, but new to this mower. All that's left to do really is clean the paint up. The thing's got 2 new tires. They don't match, but it's got 2 new tires on it. And everything works. The deck is good. The blades need an edge on them. Other than that, the tires are holding air. So this thing is going up for sale. But I will. There will be a video out. It'll be a short on the finished product. So like and sub. You be out of your papa. Catch you on the next one.